Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern El Paso County and east central Colorado until 3:15 p.m. At 2:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over western Colorado Springs, moving northeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Colorado Springs, Air Force Academy, Manitou Springs, and Black Forest. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.